I done that? What?
It's the Hillbilly on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yes.
What is going on, everybody? It's been a long time since I filmed a video. Got a nice snowstorm moving in this weekend. We got a nice 3-day weekend, and I kind of decided to film everything this weekend. So right now, I just got home here on a Friday. I'm gonna go get the fuel tanks filled up because it's gonna be a rowdy hillbilly weekend. There's gonna be a ton of music, ton of riding, tons of good stuff. So come along for the ride. All right, we got our kerosene for the weekend. It's kind of cool. There's a nice little river back here behind the gas station where we get the kerosene. There used to be a cool bar right there, but it's there no more. But this river is pretty sweet. Runs and snakes all through the town that we live in. It's pretty badass. But anyway, get that in the truck. Okay, we've got one tank full. We've got the kerosene full. Our next stop is going to be down to the old classic beer store for later in the evening supplies. So let's go get that done real quick. Second stop is done. I don't know if you can see it there behind me, but we got us a nice cube for the weekend. Hopefully it'll last more than one day. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, we got our last stop we're gonna go do right now. We're gonna go pick up some Petro for the old machines. Let's do it. Okay, we're all filled up on gasoline now, and it's just back to the old manor, the old compound, to start getting things warmed up, fueled up, and wait for the storm to hit. So I will catch up with you when we get back over there. Went ahead and got all the cold weather clothing together. Now we got to get the heat going on out here in the shop. It's going to take a little bit of chore because there just happens to be a whole bunch of ATVs in the way. So we're going to have to do some moving around, figuring some stuff out. We got a bunch of cool stuff going on though. Just got this new subwoofer. Guy dropped it off, said it wasn't working. I said, sure, I'll take it. See if we can get it fixed. We'll try to get that fixed and beaten this weekend too. The storm's supposed to hit here in about 3 hours. So I'm going to try to get everything all together so we can watch the storm come in together. Let's do this. Waiting for the snowstorm. We have one little job that we got to do before we start to get into let's go ride mode. Has really not much to do with off-road stuff. It's something else that I'm way into, which is live sound and audio in general. And what's cool is we've been given this nice JBL cabinet by a buddy of mine, and the problem that happens to be with it is there's something wrong with the power amp that goes in it. So we're going to take a look at this power amp. We're going to see if we can figure out what the heck is going on. I just want to go ahead and send some power to it. and see what she's doing. If it's not turning on or anything, that would tell us real quick. Okay, we have verified source signal coming now. Let's go ahead and get her plugged in. We'll see what we get here. Be nice if I saw some signal. But guess what I'm not seeing? See this little button right here? We should be seeing some signal coming in. Okay, when we're playing with electricity, it's always good to use the electrical safety insulated screwdrivers. Right here is the fuse that goes along with the IEC power input. So we're going to take a look at this. We're going to see if this fuse is shot. So continuity, we're just making sure that it's getting signal all the way through it. That's a pretty good sign right there. So right here to open this case, this metal protective case on the back of the amp, there are 2 bolts, one here and one on the other side adjacent from it. And then it just breaks. Gone through, I've checked all the caps on it. All the caps look pretty good. So the next step is going to be to tear the entire circuit board of this out and start running the traces to make sure everything is getting signal. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to switch modes now. Being as we have this cabinet, this 15-inch or 18-inch cabinet, and it sounds pretty good. This is JBL, so it's going to sound really good. I'm going to go ahead and rewire it for a different amp. Okay, we got her all back together here. Got our amp put back in. We drilled a hole, ran a line out, which is now coming into this nice, decently length cable, depending on where I want to put it in the room, to a speak-on. So we should, yeah, right there's a speak-on. Should be good to put her in place, and let's see if we got her working. Let's do it. Well, there it is. She's up and making sound. Got her all installed back there. Took a little bit of work. Had to rewire the amp. Put you on a tripod here, do a little bit of jamming, and you can see how this thing sounds. Now that all that's done, now we are literally just waiting for the snow. We're gonna hang out, have some fun, rock some tunes. Eventually I'll light these heaters up. We've got all our fuels, everything's ready to go. We've got our cube of fun ready to go. We've got the Wolverine 450, the Kodiak 450, and we're gonna have a bunch of snow. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Current situation, so far not too much accumulation. But it's coming, trust me, I know Michigan. It's on its way. Well, let's go ahead and go out here and check her out. Yeah, she's a snowing. Here comes the snow. Yes, sir. So we'll be back here ripping all this up here in a little bit. Snow. I'm gonna go ahead and get suited up for the first ride. I'm gonna take you along for it. We're gonna take the Wolverine out, and we're gonna head back out by the river and just see how the wind is affecting the woods. Let's go do some filming. It'll be fun. Yamaha Wolverine 450. Let's go have some fun. Snow adventure, snow adventure. Yeah, this thing ain't got no problem in this. We're gonna take it slow just for, yeah, this thing grips good, man. forgot how much I love this. She's up, she's ready. So we're out here, middle of the woods here. And it took about a whole 2 seconds to get covered. The colder it gets and the more snow we get, I'm definitely putting on my snow pants. So it only took a couple seconds before I got covered a little bit there. But I'm gonna take some video out here so you can see what it looks like. It is gorgeous out here. It's hard to really explain the beauty out here. Being so close to home, being able to just step away for a second, get out in nature. But you know, there's another thing we gotta do. Let's go ride. Take this little trail over here to the right. Putt along, see what we get, huh? Oh yeah, she got a little low bridge. up that. All right. How much fun was that, huh? All right, all right. First round, good. Whoo! So yeah, let's get this heater on. We're definitely gonna be switching over to snow pants because my butt is wet already. And it did not take long. Nope, nope, nope. We have time for one more ride tonight. Wolverine did really good out there. No problems, just ripping around. Snow's getting deeper, it's getting wetter. Tires are way balder on the Kodiak. So let's see what we get, man. This is gonna be a good time, good last rip. We'll go out there. I'm all suited up in the snow gear now, so let's go do it. definitely gonna have some down trees. We're getting good and wet out. Well, I know I said that might be the last rip, but I gotta tell you what, that was just too much fun. This girl's fun, but she gets a little bit too good at traction. With these ball tires on here, yeah, she you gotta work to keep her on the trail. And it's a good time though, I tell you what. I haven't had that much fun since I went snowmobiling years ago. And nowadays it just doesn't make much sense to own a snowmobile here in Michigan, lower Michigan. So we got quads, and this thing, boy, she's ripping. I'd rather be riding a couple more of these and we'll be good though. Hillbilly hot. Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!